Hello there, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can check the spam score of a domain. So I'm going to show you my procedure I do personally to check the spam score of a domain. So you can do this for a domain you own or a domain you don't own, or let's say a domain you intend to buy, something like that. So now let's open the PC and then let's start with the tutorial. So I use this website to do all my domain checks. That's Semrush. It has free and then paid version. So you just search Semrush like this, and then you hop on here. Like very simple, very simple and easy to use. So to check the spam score of a domain, I first enter the link of the domain here. You can see I have this, but I first check this and then I move to backlink audit, something like this. So you are definitely checking the spam score of a domain, because let's say you intend to buy the domain and you intend to use it to make the domain's SEO profile be very much clean. So in this case, you can rank in search engines, or your website won't be tagged as a scam or a fraudulent website. So now you move to your backlink audit here. So now let's expand this. If you are new and you're about to create a new one, you just tap on the create project and you enter the link of the domain. So you can see this is the domain we set here. So now let's come here and then let's enter this. So let's say I want to buy this domain and I'm doing this analysis. It was owned by myself and I've stopped using it. So here you can see I have some backlinks on here. My authority score is quite low, and there's ranking for some keywords and the rest. Nobody uses it, so it makes sense, yeah. So I think it's okay. The traffic and everything is okay. It looks good. But then if you check, like you see everything down, like red, showing that everything is going down, it means there's a problem with the domain, something like that. Because I've stopped using this domain, but you can see it's still maintaining its post. So when someone purchases it and uses it for his or her purposes, you see it's going to change, something like that. And even if you purchase this domain, I was in the text space, so you can hop on the text space. You can see I still have some keywords here. It's showing you the domain is very much clean. And now let's move to our backlink audit. So you can see I have two toxic domains linking to it, and medium toxic is 23. Why? Because I disavowed the links. So I was using this domain just like I was saying. So anytime I do an audit and then I kind of disavow all the toxic links, I submit them to Google. So I have a video on that. So if it's on how you can check the spam score of a domain to check whether the SEO profile of the domain is clean, if you want to use it for your business or you just want to resell it. That's it. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions to do, or to drop down these questions in the comment section, and I'm going to do all to answer it. Peace.